But remember, Pakistan may be trying its best currently to be able to gain sympathy from the United Nations, but it's also getting caught in its own words. And that's because they're so used to sponsoring and harboring terror, they can't help it. Pakistan minister removed the TRF reference from the UNSC statement. TRF is the outfit, or should I just say proxy outfit, of the Lashkar-e-Taiba of Pakistan sponsored terror. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar, speaking on the Pahalgam terror carnage in the parliament, had a pro-Lashkar statement. Pakistan is a non-permanent member of UNSC, he says. We got the reference removed to the resistance front from the UNSC statement. Draft of UNSC statement blamed TRF for Pahalgam. And remember, India didn't blame TRF. TRF took responsibility. There were clear responsibility that had come through its channels before they went in a panic mode, and even then said, we did not claim responsibility. Pakistan says for some strange reason, we got the TRF mention removed. Now, why is this so curious, viewers? TRF is a terror organization. It has been sponsoring attacks and terrors, and it threatens targeted attacks. Why would Pakistan say we got the reference removed? What does Pakistan have to do with the so-called resistant front unless it has something to do? Is this an admission? Which country says I got the name of a group removed that clearly has been known to sponsor, target, whether it's locals, non-locals, Rebras, Kashmiri Pandits, or, of course, like we saw, this massacre? Viewers, make no doubt, keep no doubt about it. This is clearly, I think it is so hilarious that Pakistan minister has said it. Remember, and I want to reiterate, TRF has taken responsibility not just of Pahalgam massacre, has clearly given out threats, carried out attacks, claimed responsibility of previous attacks on whether it's the Kashmiri Pandits, employees, those who are coming to earn livelihood in the Kashmir Valley. It is seen as a proxy of Lashkar-e-Taiba, of other outfits clearly based in Pakistan, and big terror outfits. To which the Pakistan minister says, we got the reference removed. Shivani joins me for the latest on that. Shivani, what does one make of it? I've never heard a sitting minister of a country's government to say that TRF group, we got the reference removed. Why did you get the reference removed? What is your involvement with the terror group seeking responsibility or backing from it?
Pooja, this is actually in a way endorsing the group of terror, these TRF that is being mentioned by the Pakistani Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar in the parliament, where he's claiming that he got the mention of the TRF removed from the UNSC statement. That means he's in a way sheltering TRF. He's in a way saying that it is his kind of organization associated to the government of Pakistan, and that is why he's trying to take credit of this particular removal of the reference to the TRF from the UNSC statement. That's what he is saying. So in a way, they are actually gone very bizarre with all kind of statements. They do not know what they are doing, and all these.
I think this is great, Shivani. I think this is great to say this in the parliament, which means it's on record. This is one quote that will come to bite Pakistan when they say they were so intentional to get TRF reference.